Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today I will be showing you how I DIY'd my wedding invitations. 사랑해, 이 세상 누구보다 더 마음에 Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I know it's been ages since I last have done a video. Of course, this is not a cash stuffing video this time, but I will be showing you something a little different. This is how I DIY'd my wedding invitation. So of course, the wedding invitations are not made by me. I ordered them through Truly Engaging, but at the time that I ordered them, there was a huge sale going on, so everything was 60% off. This was around July 4th, so I'll say they might have it again next year, but you'll just have to keep, doing your research and then checking back at different sites to see if there's a sale. But nonetheless, whether there's a sale or not, I am adding more to this invitation suite. That way I can kind of keep the cost down a little bit, because these other sites do add-ons, but they do cost more. So this is my take on how I wanted to do them. So we have, in this invitation suite, we have the main card, the details, RSVP envelope, and then the main envelope. And so I'm gonna just show you each card. So this one is our main card. It has our name, the venue, the date, and then the time. And then the next one is details. The details tells a little bit more about the venue, parking, and then the back has dress code, children, and the after party. And then here's the RSVP card. This will write in how many are included into this invitation. So 1 or 2 seats for the guests. And then they'll write their name or names, and then will attend, number attending, unable to attend. And then for dinner, they're going to initial their choice for their dinner selection. So we're having grilled New York strip loin as an option, aged butter crested catch, or vegan if someone's vegan. Okay, and then the of course you're gonna put when to reply back. So we have until September 1st to receive all of our RSVPs. And then in the RSVP section, we have the RSVP envelope, and they're gonna put the card into this envelope and then send it back to us. And I just put a sticker over here because it has our name and address. And then here's the main envelope, and for most of the invitations we had it already printed with the guest's name and address, but here's a blank one. And then in the back it says with love from, and then there's our names and then our address, but I just put a little sticker here for privacy. And then the other items that I have are from Amazon, and that's what I'm going to use to DIY this wedding invitation suite. So I have black chiffon ribbon. So this is what I'm going to use to tie everything together. So that's what it looks like. And then I'll leave all the links down in the description box on where I had gotten them. And of course it's from Amazon, but I'll just make it a little easier to let you know, just in case you want to recreate something like this. And then to hold all of the cards together, I have paper clips, but they're all black, so it's a little bit fancier. And then to tie it all together, I am using a vellum paper. So let me get that. So this is the vellum paper that I ordered off of Amazon. The size is 8.5 by 11, and I'm going to use my paper cutter to cut it to size of the invitations. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is show you how I cut the vellum paper. So I'm gonna take out my paper cutter, and then I'm gonna get a vellum paper. Okay. And guys, you know, like sometimes you can plan all of these things out in advance, but it's not always going to turn out perfect the first time around. So as you know, in the past I showed you how I did my save the dates, and it was a disaster, but I mean we got it done. But same thing for the vellum paper. I had ordered them off of Amazon, and I got them pre-folded, but when I received them, it was not in the center. So let me show you. So I had ordered these off of Amazon, and everything came pre-folded, which is perfect, right? Like it came to size, but then when you look at it, it's just off center, which is kind of weird. I would think, you know, everything would be in the center, but and then the fold isn't big enough for the card, so that was a fail, but that's okay. I'm gonna still use this. I'm not gonna return it. I'm just gonna use this when I have to make envelopes, because it's, you know, the right measurement, so I can just cut them down to size, which is fine. But I was so sad when it came in, and I was like, oh no, it's not in the center, and then the card doesn't fit. So yeah, just, you know, give yourself time, because sometimes things are not going to turn out the way you envision it to be, but don't worry, it'll all work out if you give yourself enough time. Okay, so we're gonna cut the vellum paper to size. I'm just gonna now fold this to size, and I kind of eyeball it, so I kind of use this edge to gauge, and I kind of place it in the middle, or where I think is the middle, and then I will kind of make a fold just like this. Okay. And then same thing for this. Okay. And then it makes a perfect fold in the middle. Alright, now I can put this away. And then here I will assemble the cards. So I will put the RSVP. So if I'm just showing this for the video, but what I did before I had sent out the invitations is I filled in the number for the reserved seat, and then I put it in the envelope just like that, and then I have the details, and I put the details down like this, and then I put it like this in the card so you could see all of the colors. Okay, and then I got a paper clip just like that, and then I had put it in the middle just like this. Okay. Alright, and then of course with the RSVP, I also put a stamp on there. So just a forever stamp. And then I'm gonna put it into the vellum jacket. Just like this. just like that. Okay, and then I have this sticky strip glue, and then I'm just going to on each side right here, I'm gonna put a little bit. So just go like this. Okay, and then let's fold it in, and then it seals it like that. Perfect. And then I'm gonna take out my ribbon. So maybe, yeah, this one is ribboned. Okay, so I think I can just use all of this. Okay. So I'm just gonna lay the card down just like this. Kind of find the center. And then I'm just gonna tie a bow. Just like this. All right, perfect. You guys able to see that? And then if it's too stringy, I just kind of cut them out. Just like that. Okay. But yeah, this is how I put them together. So it looks just like this. Okay. Okay, so here's the finished product. And then what I would do is put it in the envelope. It's a little tricky. In the beginning I had some trouble because it's just so full. So it's kind of hard to slide it into the envelope. Okay. Just kind of like that. You just gotta be super careful. And then close it up, and then I'll show you. This is a finished version, and then I ordered a bunch of stickers with their initials, so I put the sticker on the back, and I'll just kind of show you. So that's what it looks like. I'm just covering our address, but yeah, that's basically how I did it. And then of course you're gonna place your stamp on here. And now I'm gonna share with you that the first batch of invitations that went out, it got returned to us because I had put only one stamp, but it actually needed two. So I kind of had a feeling, but I thought that the weight was just enough to get by with one stamp, but unfortunately it needed two. So for this one I would put two stamps on here. But yes, that's it for how I DIY'd my wedding invitations. As for the cost, I paid about a little over $200 for the invitations, and I ordered 50. I believe it was like, yeah, about 50. And of course my guest count is up to 50, but because there's going to be couples that are coming together with, and they're going to be getting the same invitation, it was almost cut down to half, so a little bit more than half of that. And then I have extras. So yeah, it's just all gonna depend on how many invitations you have. Of course, if your guest count is large, it's going to be more expensive, but in general, we saved a lot. It would have cost over $500 easily for just the invitations alone, not including the stuff that I DIY. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gives you a little bit more inspiration if you have a color theme. This one was black and white, but hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.